Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Wanda, and welcome to Quietly Be Debt Free. I want you to think about the holidays because the holidays are coming very, very quickly. Before you know it, they'll be here. So let's think about some things. I want to give you some ideas that I think will help you with your holiday shopping and your holiday planning. So let's take a look. All right, first of all, think about the people in your life, your family members first, that you have not talked to. When was the last time that you talked to your Aunt Carol or your Uncle Isaac or your cousin Eric or maybe even your brother Derek? When was the last time that you talked to them? Maybe it's time for you to give them a call. But when you give them a call, let's have some questions that we ask them. And the reason why we want to ask them questions is because you want to get some ideas about things that they like so that you can give them some things that they will enjoy and love for the holidays as gifts. The first thing I would suggest that you ask are, what is your favorite store? What's your favorite restaurant? What is your favorite drink? What's your favorite color? What is your favorite flower? What's your favorite snack? What is your favorite author? What is your favorite type of music? What do you like to do? Where do you like to go? Think about those things. Ask them those questions and find out some things about them and write those things down so that you can remember what they liked. A lot of times you might want to just simply give a cash gift or a gift card. Those things tend to be very popular today because now people can do what they want with the cash, or they can go to the places that they enjoy. But the only thing about gift cards is that I would suggest that you give them a gift card at a place that they would want to go. You don't want to be stuck with giving them a gift card at a place that they want use, and they don't want to let you know that they don't like that particular place. So when you're talking to them, find out if they like gift cards and what places they like to use gift cards at. That would be very helpful. So anyway, you can take just a simple tablet like this. This is just a very simple notebook that I have. And then I listed. I made a list. I made a list with 20, a list with 10 on one side. Think about how many people you need to get something for, because you can list their names and then you can decide if you want to give each person a $5 bill in a card and then wrap it up. Don't just put it in an envelope. Wrap it up. Give it to them as a gift. Or maybe you can give them $10. According to your budget, you can decide if you want to do $5 or $10. But give them a gift of cash or give them a gift card to a place that they would enjoy. But list their names so that you have everybody's name listed on the paper. And like I said, when was the last time that you heard somebody say that they just threw $5 away? Or when was the last time that you heard somebody say they threw $10 away? You better believe they're going to keep that money and they're going to enjoy it and they're going to be happy that you gave it to them. So that is one suggestion that I have for the holidays. If you have not already started saving for the holidays, you can still do it now. So here, I just put a piece of paper here. I took a paper from this notebook that I just showed you. And then I just have holiday savings. And then I divide the number of paychecks I have until the holidays, about divide that among the amount of money that you want to save for the holidays. So if I wanted to save $700, or if you wanted to save $700 for the holidays, you would divide, if you have 5 paychecks, divide 5 into 700, and that would give you $140. If you want to save $600 for the holidays and you have 5 paydays, then you would save $120. Or if you have six paychecks available before the holidays and you want to save $600, then you would just save $100 per paycheck. This is just an easy way to get ready for the holidays before the holidays get here. Go ahead now and think about the people in your life that you can give a call and you can talk to and find out about things that they like, because that gift alone is going to keep giving. That gift alone will keep giving and giving, even past the holidays. Think about it. God loves a cheerful giver. Let's be cheerful givers.